Welcome to Walside Classic Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer you this Ford Capri. It's a car we've previously sold 6 years ago. It's a 1979 Capri Mk3. It's a 1.6 GL, so nothing very exciting, but probably rarer than all the 2 litre S's and the injected cars and everything. Best thing about it is a very low mileage car. It's in a pretty colour and it's in very original condition. It's had a little bit of paintwork here and there, but nothing very dramatic. It was undersealed from new. We've got the original bill of sale with the car. It's on 33,000 miles. When we purchased the car originally, sort of 6 years or so ago, it was a one family owner car, given it up just due to age and deteriorating health conditions. So as we walk around the car, you'll see just how pretty it is. It's dead straight. On the factory invoice which we've got with the car, it was undersealed from new. Underneath is in superb condition, nice and tidy under the engine bay, which we'll show you in a few moments. So just a fairly standard old thing, rear wiper, Rostyle style wheels with the embellishers. Previous owner we sold the car to, he's enjoyed it. He's only done about sort of 4,000 miles in the car. He's taken it to shows, he's polished it up and detailed it in bits and bobs. It's really nice. So inside the car, which is probably the best bit of the car, it's got its original tan trim. It's superb condition. The sun's just a little bit awkward for us, but you'll get the gist, I'm sure. The carpet's down there, look. Clock's working. In the back, no tears in the seats, just everything's in such nice condition. Headlining, all nice and everything. No cracks on the dashboard. Door cards, superb as well. As you see, as you look down the door frame there, got no corrosion. In the boot, we've got the original dealer sticker on the rear window there. Original tax disc and keyring, spare keys are on the original keyring and everything. Boot carpet lovely, no cuts in the rear speaker, in the rear shelf for speakers. And again, that's the boot with the original wheel, never been to painted that wheel. Tools, a few spares, there's a fan bolt there I suppose. And that's the colour thing there, which is Cosmos Blue Metallic. Again, if you look around the detail of the panels there, they're all the original panels. These things used to rot out ever so badly. This one has been cared for ever so well. Okay, we'll show you under the bonnet. And also start the car. Okay, it's ticking over now. So we've got the original Ford radio, which works. Electric aerial. 33,444 miles. If you look at this trim, this is the driver's seat. No wear on the bolsters or anything. This is the driver's footwell mat. I'll take you for a run down the road in a moment too. Under the bonnet, it's 1.6 litre Pinto. Engine bay nice and clean. we are, so it's just quite a nice way to get into low mileage classic Ford motoring for not a lot of money. So we'll take you down the road in a moment. Right, we'll just take you up the road in this lovely low mileage Mk3 Capri 1.6 GL, 4-speed manual gearbox, super slick original Ford transmission, which everyone loves. So just in town traffic at the moment. Driving nice. No misfires, creaks or rattles. Body is very solid on the car. It's never been welded, so it's all original and everything. Steering's dead straight ahead. Steering wheel feels nice, very little wear. Seats comfortable. Everything working in the car, including this original Ford push-button radio with electric aerial. The car's never been smoked in. The tray's all clean. There's no marks or anything on the seats. Original car, give loads of fun, ideal to be shown and looked after. It's a great way to get into an entry level Ford. If everyone watches Ford prices over the past few years, they'll know what I mean by that statement. Handles well enough, pulls clean. Enough to keep up with modern traffic. So no vibrations, just nothing to dislike about the car really. So if you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 606 725, or have a look at this video and a load of photos on our website, warsaidclassics.co.uk. Thank you. Okay, paperwork with the Ford Capri. This is quite nice. We've got the original bill of sale. This is a copy, but we've got the original in the file, showing the cost new being £3,641 in 1979. Quite important, the vehicle was undersealed for £28.50, which is still in fabulous condition underneath now. So we've got that. We've got the original Ford plastic document pouch with owner's handbook, radio books, and also the Ford service book. A few stamps in it, early stamps more than later stamps. Then we've got the V5 registration documents with the car, and also previous V5s showing the same names as which are on the original order form from Ford. We've got the original supply and dealer spare keys there, with the Ward of Kettering keyring. MOTs, we've got quite a few going back as far as 1995, so loads of old MOTs up to date. The car's been kept up to date until recently with MOTs. Another quite nice thing, previous owners collated all the old tax lists and put them in a little presentation there. It's quite nice, going back to 1980, so you know, probably quite collectible in their own right. So that's all the paperwork for the Capri. Thanks for looking.